Stop by and take a look at the 2017 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, fog lamps, FWD. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.